Okay, we just reduced power to 600. We're making the turn. We've been told to join and clear for the approach. So the approach is armed.
Approach to half 5, 194 Foxtrot, 1,600
Altitude is armed.
3,000.
The GP is armed.
Dog 5194 Foxtrot, Huntsville departure, ident, Huntsville.
Our white dashed track is taking us to the course.
301094 Fox, ident.
We're down to 3.
Huntsville approach,
For the profile.
1 Echo Sierra.
We're inside of Bisbee and we're established, so now we go to 2500 if we want.
Echo Sierra, Huntsville approach, Huntsville altimeter 3010, sir, request.
Yes.
Yeah, we could. I'm going to maintain 3,000 once we level off.
We have a photo site, 7 miles.
I'm going to put runway heading in 5,000 for the missed approach.
Dog 1 Echo Sierra,
Okay.
squawk 0132.
0132, 1 Echo Sierra.
Dog 94 Foxtrot, radar contact 1 mile east of Decatur Airport. Continue heading 030 and maintain 3000.
030, maintain 3,000.
It's going to allow us to capture.
If there's something on the runway we don't like, we're going to go around.
Yeah, there's truck on the runway. Go around.
All right, going around.
So Toga, take your time. Pitch and power. Looking for 100 knots or better. Flaps 10. Gear up right away. No delay. That's one word. Flaps 10. Gear up. Passing 100. Flaps up. Trim for the bars. Trim, trim, trim. Autopilot on. D-bars the blue. Airplane's doing as commanded. Just like a takeoff.
Tower 600, Yankee Papa executing missed approach.
November 0 Yankee Papa, Roger, contact departure.
Switching departure, 0 Yankee Papa.
Roger.
Roger.
All right, runway heading to 5,000 for the climb out.
Nicely done. Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off it.